In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your low quality video into a high quality 4K video. So we're first going to open up the CapCut application, and you just need to drag your video footage into the timeline. So the first thing you need to do is just select your video footage and then click on the arrow icon in the top right hand side and select adjustment. Then click on the plus icon next to custom adjustment and then select curves. Now what you need to do is drag these curves to the opposite ends of the box. So do exactly what I'm about to do here, which is to move this bottom one up to the top and move this top one down to the bottom. And then we're going to do the same for the red as well, just by adjusting this upwards and then moving the top line all the way down to the bottom. So I'm just going to keep doing this all the way down. I'm going to do the same for the greens as well. And we're also going to do the same thing for the blue. Now what we need to do is drag this adjustment layer so it fits the full width of our video like this. Now you need to click on effects in the top navigation, click on lens from the list of options and then scroll down until you see blur. Now drag the blur effect onto the timeline like this and just adjust the length so it fits the full width of the video. Now what you need to do is click on export in the top navigation and just go and export this video. Once you've exported your video, you can then go and delete these two top layers on top of your video. So you should now be just left with the original video footage. Then we're going to click on media in the top left hand side and then go and import the video that we just exported. Now once you have this exported video, drag it onto the top layer of the timeline like this. Then we're going to click on the video tab in the top navigation and scroll all the way down. Click on the drop down arrow next to blend, and next to the blend mode we need to select color burn. Once you've clicked on color burn, reduce the opacity down to 30%. Now what you need to do is open up an internet browser, type in white background and then hit enter and then select images. Now just click on any background that's completely white and go and save this background to your computer. Once you've saved this white background, we just need to import it into our video footage. So I'm just going to drag this onto my timeline like so and then go and adjust it so it fits the full width of the video, and you may also need to increase the scale so it fits the full page. Then click on the video tab and scroll down to blend, and we're going to change the blend mode to overlay and then reduce down the opacity to as you see fit. I'm just going to set mine to around about 65%. Now finally click on your main video in the timeline, click on adjustments in the top right hand side, and then you can go and adjust the things like the temperature, saturation. So I'm just going to increase the hue up to 10%. The saturation I'm going to set to 18, and then the brightness I'm going to set to 7, but you can basically just play around with these numbers. I'm also going to click on basic, and you may also want to adjust the sharpness by increasing it, increase the clarity, and you can also reduce the shadows. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you convert your low quality footage into high quality. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.